Hello, I'm John from PHLster, and this is the brand new Bodyguard 2.0 from Smith & Wesson, which happens to be, I think, maybe our new favorite concealed carry pistol of the year. We're not going to do a whole lot of talking about this gun in this video. We are going to introduce to you the brand new Enigma Express and skeleton holster for this model. You might notice that we don't do a video for every single line extension. That's because this particular model has a couple considerations that I want to share with you, starting with the size. This is one of the smallest pistols that we make a holster for, and that comes with some additional considerations that I'm going to share with you. So, first of all, you will notice that the holster's a little bit longer than the gun. That's for a couple important reasons. First is that the wing has to fit on the holster with enough clearance to get a proper grip across a variety of hand sizes. That means it's got to sit a little bit lower on the gun, and we need to extend the length of the holster in order to accommodate that. Secondly, this gun has a very short muzzle relative to the length of the grip. That means that it's going to be very tippy out away from your body when you're wearing it. So in order to balance that out using the keel principle, we decided that we were going to make this holster a little bit longer than the gun. When we assemble the Enigma Express, they all come with the E-mod angled wing insert in order to, make the faceplate play nice with this pistol. Now, it is very slim. For some users, they might find that the extra height of the wing causes them a concealment issue. And I'm going to show you real quick a way to resolve that. We understand that a number of the customers who are going to gravitate towards this particular pistol are in a size category where overall thickness is a critical concealment dimension for them. And I wanted to highlight something that can be done if you're one of those people. And that is you can see that we've caused the faceplate to fit a lot more flush to the holster here. And we've done that by simply removing the insert from the wing and the two little spacers that cause those things to work together nicely. So what I'll show you here is that the faceplate is now completely flush with the wing, and the wing has been reduced to a little arm lever that gives you a little bit more grip rotation without bulging out and being obtrusive. So if you're one of those folks, fear not, you can set up your Enigma Express with this super slim gun to be as concealable as you need it to be. If you're picking up a Bodyguard 2.0 as part of a plan to overcome some number of concealment challenges, despite the fact that we're not really in the business of aggressive upselling in terms of Enigma accessories, we are actually at this point going to highly recommend that you opt for the sport belt and the reduced size buckle to help lower the overall profile of the rig and increase your comfort, especially as a smaller person. That's how Sarah carries it, and we think that'll do pretty well for you too. Skeleton and Enigma Express are available for the Bodyguard 2.0 right now. If you already have an Enigma or an Enigma Express, you can pick up Skeleton and bolt it right up, or if you need a complete system ready to go, we've got those for you too.